So here we're going to look at a simple example of lim-bool satisfiability checking. That's basically applying a SAT solver to some propositional logic formula. And here in this lim-bool input syntax, so everything starting with this percentage sign, that's a comment. And we're saying here we're modeling some cars and traffic lights. We have Boolean variables car A, car B, so basically everything that you write down, some identifier for lim-bool, that's a Boolean variable. And then what we mean by car A means that a car is detected on lane A, and then by green B we mean that, or by green A we mean that the traffic light A is green. So if green A is false, then it's not green, it's red basically. And if car A is false, then there's no car A, right? But if car A is true, then it means there is a car, and we can write simple Boolean expressions here. Car A implies that green A, so if there's a car, we have a green light. Same for B. And then we say that cars are never on both lanes. So we say car A, if and only if there's no car B. So this means either we have car A or we have car B. And then we assert, or basically we add another conjunct here. So these are all conjuncts that the lights A and B are green at the same time, which is a bad case. And we want to see, is this satisfiable, that with these satisfying these constraints here, that we could end up with such a bad case that the traffic lights are green together. We say run, and the output here is yes, the formula is satisfiable. Oh, so if there's a car A, there's no car B. Yeah, that makes sense. We basically asking for that. And then it says the lights are green at the same time. How come? So we're only saying that car A requires that the light is green, but there's nothing that prevents the light from being green. So for example, we could say, well, we can only have a green light if and only if there is the corresponding car. We can run again, and we see, now it's unsatisfiable. Good. So that's a simple, very simple example, and you can basically write your own. You can stretch it over multiple lines. You can write everything in one line, and then run the tool.